Chief, my friend. As you can see, I personally came here to inspect this project. This is the Trans-Kalabari project that we flagged off about a year ago. I've been getting reports from the ministry, but I felt I need to come and see for myself what is really happening here. If you are aware that this project, the first phase of it is going to take us to Bakana. I think Bakana is the first phase of it. Mm-hmm. And the first phase of it will have about 4 river crossing bridges and almost 5 decompile. You can see for yourself that this project is purely a very difficult project because of the terrain. But to the glory of God, this afternoon, I can attest to the report that I've been receiving that 70%, almost 75% of the piling job, which is the key thing, have been achieved. And by the grace of God, in the next 6 months, I'm very, very, very positive that if we're coming here for inspection, we might run through the bridge. And we made a promise to our people that we'll continue to embark on projects that will change their life and bring development. As everyone can see, this is a key project that is going to turn around the life of the Kalabari people. Immediately this project is concluded. Thank you. I'll call you back. I'll call you back. Yeah. Ace. Okay. just pass. Yeah. Oh, that's the one. I know. No issue. Then go front.
No, I the one this year, what the one stop there. Go too far. Osaka. How you